Welcome back, gentlemen. Today we embark on an incredible journey into the realm of self-belief, a force that can transform your life in profound ways. Let's dive straight into it. Segment 1. Embracing your inner strength. Self-belief starts with embracing your inner strength and recognizing your unique capabilities. Take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments, both big and small, and appreciate the resilience that has brought you to where you are today. Recognize the talents and skills you possess and understand that you are capable of achieving greatness. Embrace your strengths and let them serve as the foundation for your self-belief. Remember, when you believe in yourself, others will be inspired to believe in you too. Segment 2. Challenging limiting beliefs. Let's dive deeper into the importance of challenging limiting beliefs. We all have internal narratives that may hold us back from reaching our true potential. Identify these self-doubts and examine their validity. Ask yourself if these beliefs are based on evidence or simply unfounded fears. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations that reinforce your capabilities and worth. As you dismantle these barriers, you open yourself up to the possibilities that await when you truly believe in yourself. Segment 3. Visualizing success. The third habit involves the power of visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals, living your dreams, and overcoming obstacles with unwavering confidence. Visualization creates a vivid mental picture of success, making it feel attainable and real. When you consistently visualize success, you program your subconscious mind to align your actions with your vision. This powerful alignment propels you forward, helping you navigate challenges with determination, knowing that success is within your grasp. Segment 4. Building a supportive environment. Surrounding yourself with a supportive environment is crucial in nurturing self-belief. Seek out like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Engage in conversations with people who encourage your aspirations and believe in your potential. By building a supportive network, you create a circle of influence that reinforces your self-belief. Surrounding yourself with positivity and encouragement cultivates an empowering atmosphere, boosting your confidence and propelling you towards your goals. Segment 5. Persistence and resilience. Lastly, the fifth habit centers on persistence and resilience. Self-belief doesn't guarantee a smooth journey. It requires persistence and resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. Believe in your journey and remember that setbacks are a natural part of any pursuit. Maintain a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Tap into your unwavering self-belief during tough times, allowing it to be the anchor that keeps you steadfast. In moments of doubt, remind yourself of your inner strength, your accomplishments, and the support around you. By staying persistent and resilient, you will conquer obstacles, learn valuable lessons, and pave the way for your dreams to become a reality. Let's recap. The 5 segments that explore the power of self-belief are: 1. Embracing your inner strength. 2. Challenging limiting beliefs. 3. Visualizing success. 4. Building a supportive environment. 5. Persistence and resilience. Congratulations! You now hold the key to unlocking the extraordinary power of self-belief. Embrace your inner strength, challenge limiting beliefs, visualize success, build a supportive environment, and embody persistence and resilience. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video empowering, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends ready to unleash their full potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on men's self-improvement. Until next time, believe in yourself and embrace the boundless power of self-belief.